Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we're unboxing the all-new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. So this is pretty exciting, so let's check it out. So let's just open this up first. And I accidentally did that, okay, whatever. Good enough. Good enough. Okay. So let's get this out of the way. So we have our package list thing here, so that's that. Okay, so what's this? That's awkward. So this is actually a pretty protective packaging and creative. I believe. So this exists. Okay, so I can just get this out of the way. Okay. What's this? Oh, right. Okay, so here's the case. It's a silicone cover with ring. I'll check that out later. But let's check out with the phone first. So the box is pretty slim. And yeah, so let's get this out of the way. Open it up. That was fast. Oh wow. So there's the phone. Seems really nice. I'm going to open this. Check out what's in here first. Let's open this up. There's the quick start guide, and then we also have a USB-C to USB-C cable in here, so that's nice. And we also have the SIM ejector pin. So yeah, here's the phone itself. So let's open up this real quick. Not sure how you would do this. Oh wow. So there's the phone. It's really shiny. So this is the green version, so that's nice. So the cameras, there's two rear cameras, and there's a little screen on the back. And we also have the front camera and everything. Let's try folding this real quick. Okay. So it doesn't snap when you get to the end, but it is pretty hard. It's not like a loose hinge, but it is a pretty sturdy hinge, so that's nice. So yeah. And let's just check out this case right here. If I can open this, okay, like so. If I get this stuff out of the way. And we have this. There's how to put on the case and all that, and this is awkward. Like a little ribbon in the middle, and then I guess you would just put the phone like this. Like so. If I can try. This, right? Okay, so that actually looks pretty sturdy, I'm not gonna lie. So there's the phone with the case on. I'm going to turn this on real quick. And there's it turning on. So I'm going to set this up and we'll check out how cool it is. Alright, so let's take a look at the phone itself. So first of all, the phone is 5G, which is really cool, and this one in particular has 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. You could upgrade it to the 256GB of storage version if you want. So the front is plastic with ultra thin glass, so that's pretty cool, and then the back glass is Gorilla Glass Victus, so that's really nice. So let's take a look at the front screen here. So this is a 1.9-inch Super AMOLED display. So when you swipe to the right, well, you have to double tap first, and then when you swipe to the right, you'll see your widgets and stuff. You can put your weather and all of that stuff, so that's pretty cool. And then you can swipe back to the main screen, and then you can swipe left again, and you'll see your notifications. So that's pretty cool. So now let's take a look at the sides here. So we have a volume rocker here, and then we have the power button, which has the fingerprint scanner in it. And then there's the hinge with the Samsung logo. And then as we keep going, you'll see a SIM card tray, a charging port, a speaker, and yeah. So let's open this up real quick. Okay, so the screen is actually pretty bright. So let me just scan this. Okay, so the screen is actually really bright. So the main screen is 6.7 inches, and it is a FHD dynamic AMOLED 2x display, and it is 120 hertz. So that's really smooth. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, the battery is only 3,300 milliamp hours though, which is kind of sad. It's kind of on the lower end for most of the phones today. So yeah, this phone has wireless power share, and it has quote unquote 15 watt fast charge and 10 watt fast wireless charge. The resistance is IPX8, which means it doesn't have any dust resistance, but it does have water resistance. And this phone does have a Snapdragon 888. So yeah, the front camera at least is 10 megapixels. The back camera, this one's a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and this one is a 12 megapixel wide. So let's check it out and see some camera photos. Alright, a couple of other things you can do with this phone. So you can also turn on always on display, and that's pretty cool. So yeah, and when you turn on the phone, there's a lot of customizations you can do. You can actually change that little watch face, not the watch face, the front screen face. So you can change it from that clock style to whatever you want. So say for example, I would want to set it to this. I can set it done, and then when you close the screen and you double tap this, you'll see a little animation, which is really cool. Okay, so overall the phone is actually really good. The battery actually lasts a very long time, and the performance is actually much better than expected. I also really like the folding part, which is actually pretty sturdy and it does snap into place. Another feature you can use is when you double tap the power button, it'll bring into your camera, and you can take selfies with the rear camera, which will be in better quality. So yeah. Thank you for watching. I'm Maybe. Don't forget to check out my merch and a product link in the description down below. And also don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.